All right, so in the last video, I threw a lot of information at you, so we're just going to go ahead and take it step by step. And the first thing that we want to do is that we want to say what's our A, what's our B, and what's our C. So our A is a number in front of x squared, which is 3. Our B is a number in front of x, which is negative 12. And our C is 6. So to start off, let's start with the y-intercept because that is the easiest one. The y-intercept is going to be whatever C equals to, right here, whatever C equals to. So our y-intercept in this case would be 0 and 6. Now we're going to go ahead and go with our axis of symmetry. So our axis of symmetry has an equation, and that would be negative b over 2a. So if you remember our quadratic equation, we had negative b over 2a, and then the discriminant would be on the other side. So what we do is we take negative, and then b is negative 12, and 2a would be 2 times 3. So then we do negative 12, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So negative 12 divided by 6 would be equal to negative 2. And a negative here turn into a positive, so the answer is 2. X equals 2. That's our axis of symmetry. Finally, what we're going to do is we're going to find our vertex. And to find our vertex, all we're going to do is we're going to take our axis and we're going to plug it into every x that we see in the original equation. So it's going to be 3, 2 squared minus 12 times 2 plus 6. And so what we first need to do is do our order of operations. So the first thing that goes is our exponent. That would be 2 squared, which would give us 3 times 4. So now we multiply from left to right. So 3 times 4 would be 12. Then 12 times 2 would be 24 plus 6. And now we do 12 minus 24, which would be negative 12, plus 6. And our answer ends up being negative 6. So our vertex would be at point 2 and negative 6.